Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to get Zoom. So first of all, what you do, go to your web browser, go to Google, type in Zoom. It doesn't have to be Google, but that's where I prefer to go. Yeah. Make sure you put downloads. Scroll down to the download center. And you have all these. Now, what is all this? Let's start. You have mobile. You have the plug-in for the iPhone. Plug it for Intel Unite. Zoom extension for browsers for IBM Notes. You have an extension for your Outlook, and you can actually launch it through Outlook. So in this case, we're going to do this one. And it will take a little bit for the installer to initialize. Now, what is meeting software? What it is basically you're in a virtual room, and when you start talking, Zoom will automatically focus on that person that is talking. Which means, so if you're in a group of 100 people and you start talking, your camera is going to be front and center. So to set it up, there's a couple different SSO, Google, or with Facebook. I do sign up for free. Put your birth date. I'm not going to do accurate here because I don't want people knowing my birthday. Your work email address. Now, for me, this is my real work email for business inquiries. Go to sign up. Alright, so let's send it. Now I go to my email. Go to gmail.com. Okay, so now I sign in. Alright, so now we are in, and right up here there's something about Zoom. So we click that. There's two ways you can do this. Click activate account or put it in the browser. I'm going to click activate account. No. So I'm going to do there we go. So now we click continue. So I'm going to do I'm not a robot. That is clicked. So I'm going to go over to my daily use computer over here. And what I'm going to do is I am going to launch a meeting on this machine. And then you'll see how it actually works. So on my daily use machine, I'm clicking I'm not a robot. So now I'm going to do my work email there. And now I push the invite. Alright, so it's on there. So I'm going to start my test meeting here. So I'll turn the camera this way, and you can see it says start test meeting. So I am going to select that, and you should see my image on this screen right here. Now there's going to be something called Open Zoom Meeting, so that's what I'm going to do. Oops, I forgot to turn the microphone on. And then what I'm doing is I'm sending an email to it. All right, now I'll go back to my email. Click my inbox. Okay, my name just showed up. Right up here, my name showed up. So what I do, I open it, and I click this link right up at the top. So I'll do that. There we go. So now I go over to my daily use computer, and what I'll do is I'll let myself in. So now what I do, if you can see it, is I'll click admin. Admit, excuse me. Meaning, I'm giving myself, because technically these are the two things that I'm doing, I'm working with my own stuff, I'm giving myself permission. So now I'm going to click admit. Okay, so now I am in. So I'm in on my end. If I go to share screen, so I'm in. So now I can join it without audio, which is what I'm going to do. I don't have any microphone hooked up. So now, since my camera's hooked up on my daily use computer, you should see me shortly. And you can see me. Now, there we go. You can see what I'm doing and stuff like that. So that is that icon with the video down where it says start video. That'll turn on your camera. Now, if your camera has a mic in it, when you do that, it'll automatically turn on both. If not, you will have to turn it on separately. So I am going to cut the video. It turns off. So what I am going to do now is I am going to leave this chat. Down at the bottom here, you can push Alt-Q, which is quit, or leave. So I'm going to click leave. It'll ask you if I'm sure, leave meeting, yes. So now, since this is flashing, I don't need to worry about anything. I am done and out. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.